What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we just got a package in the mail. I cannot wait to open this thing up. Alright, guys, so what is up? It's been quite some time. I think it's almost been about a month since I made any kind of video. Yeah, the reason for that being is I recently had to have a major surgery done. So, yeah, the recovery process has been quite thrilling, to say the least. But now it's all done. We are back to being 100% healed, all that, so we can actually talk and do everything else. So with that being said, we're going to start this off. I did end up winning this off of eBay, and this is pretty cool because, you know, this thing is pretty rare. So with that being said, let's crack this thing open, and I can't wait to see this thing in person. But yeah, I had surgery for the past 2 days, or not 2 days, but I don't know, like early February, and I couldn't really do anything, which kind of sucked. But you know, I'm back, so let's start this off right here. As we're gonna flip this open. Now, I did win this on an eBay bid, which I consider myself very lucky. And yeah, so let me just take everything out of the box here. Alright, we got just paper. Alright, so if you guys can see it here for the bubble wrap, it is the brand new 2020 Bigfoot Target exclusive, which is really cool. I think this is actually Bigfoot 9. Here, I'm trying to open this without really damaging it. So, Bigfoot 8, as you guys do know by now, that truck is very extremely rare. If you guys ended up finding it or getting it at Target, or I think it's actually Best Buy's that thing's at, you know, good luck, because that thing, you just can't find it. This one, however, I've been seeing this thing all over eBay lately. I have yet to see one of these in a Target by me in New Jersey, but hey, we got it. And I think the winning bid on this was like $13 with shipping and everything, so yeah, it was a little expensive, but that's okay. It's a cool exclusive truck. I don't know if there's going to be a lot of these produced. I don't know if it's going to be something like Bigfoot 8, how, you know, it's really rare, but I don't know. I'm just kind of picking these up as I go. They're currently on eBay for about, I don't know. When this truck first got released, there were a couple of them up there for like, I think like $30, $40. This one I got lucky. This is so far the cheapest one I've seen. I haven't seen any other ones that were cheaper than this. And this is pretty good because look, the card is actually in really good condition. There's no really bends or anything. Maybe right here on the corner, but that's minor. And then the back of the card here too as well. So yeah, Bigfoot 9, pickup, tubular chassis, long jump crush, and the motivation is to clear new heights. So really cool truck. I am a diehard Bigfoot fan. It really kind of stinks that I don't have Bigfoot 8. That truck I really want, especially since that was the Bigfoot, you know, when I was growing up and everything. But that thing is like the holy grail of Hot Wheels trucks, which kind of, you know, one day maybe I'll get it, but I don't feel like paying that guy on eBay for, I think he wanted like $500 for it, and the card was all busted and everything, so maybe one day we'll find it. But yeah, be on the lookout for these in Targets. And one thing, if I could help, if you guys are looking for this truck, you know how the trucks are lined up on the pegs, always look at the top right corner. It has this exclusive deco sticker, so yeah, that could help you guys looking. But yeah, I don't know how rare this thing is yet, but it is definitely not as rare as Bigfoot 8, which is really awesome. So hopefully if you were like me and you missed out on Bigfoot 8, you'll be able to get Bigfoot 9. So yeah, thought to make this video really quick. This is probably the first video in February, and it's like February 22nd or whatever. But yeah guys, with that being said, hopefully you can find Bigfoot 9 here in Targets. If not, or if you got the money, just dish it out on eBay. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys very shortly. Peace.